Good morning, students. Today we will read poem My Mirror Likes to Argue. The poet of the poem is Ken Nesbitt. This is a funny poem in which a boy gets irritated with his mirror as it argues, fights, shouts back at him. The boy actually doesn't realize that the mirror is actually showing back him his own actions or expressions. Let's read the poem and have fun. You can see some words are underlined. They are rhyming words. The words having same sounds like cat, rat, sit, bit, stand, land. Rhyming words make the poem very interesting and rhythmic. So put your finger and read aloud with me. My mirror likes to argue. He likes to fight and feud. He often disagrees with me. He is regularly rude. Now in this first stanza, feud and rude are the rhyming words. Now here the boy is complaining about the mirror, that his mirror always answer him back and he always fight and feud. Fight and feud, you can see meaning is given. It means likes to quarrel. So he is complaining that he is answering back to him, he is always quarreling with him, fighting with him. He often disagrees with me, means he never agree. Whatever I say, he always say the opposite of that. He is regularly rude. Rude means not kind, not polite. He is fond of making faces. He loves to sneer and scowl. And if I scream and shout at him, he'll holler, hoot and howl. In the second stanza, scowl, howl are the rhyming words. Now the boy is saying that the mirror is fond of making faces. Fond means to like. The mirror likes to make faces at me. He loves to sneer and scowl. Sneer, scowl means show anger on the face. He is always showing anger on me. He is never polite. And if I scream and shout at him, if he shout at him, then he will shout back at him. The mirror shout back at him. I wish I'd never met him. I wish he'd go away. I wish I didn't chance upon him several times a day. Now here away and day are rhyming words. Now the boy is wishing that maybe he also didn't want to meet him whole day even by chance. So it means it's showing that he really didn't like the mirror. I think perhaps the next time he starts to disagree, I'll smile at him to see if maybe he'll be nice to me. Now here disagree and me are the rhyming words. The boy was very upset and angry with the behavior of the mirror, that he was not understanding what was happening. So he decided to improve the situation. He is just thinking that next time when the mirror will disagree or show this anger upon him, he will try to be very nice or polite with him, and then he will see how the mirror will behave with him. So this was about the poem. And you know what we have learned in this poem? We learn that mirror here stands for the other people and the boy means we. So the other people will behave with you as you behave with them. If you will be good with others, others will be good with you. So give respect, then only you will get respect. So enjoy the poem, read the poem again loudly, and note down the rhyming words and word meanings given down in your notebooks in good handwriting. Till then, take care. Bye bye.